Okay, hello everyone, it's me again, CJ, and right now I am going to show you how to create a LED series lights tungod kay Christmas na karon. Anyways, we're going to create the one using the control of Arduino sa atong Tinkercad.com. So before that, I have some introduction. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the van. Okay. We'll close this one and okay. So this is our LED set with Arduino. The components that we need is Arduino Uno, R3, and especially a breadboard. And we have here a push button, one push button, and one resistor with a 10,000 resistance ohms, and 6 resistor with 220 resistance ohms. Exclusive no para sa atong LED, isa-isa sad. So we have 6 LEDs with 3 different colors. So what we have here is a 5 volts connection from our Arduino to our breadboard. I-connect na to siya sa anode anode lane. Mamaya ako tawagan eh. Excuse me. And we also have a ground lane, a ground cable from our ground GND gikan sa Arduino to our cathode. Tama ba? Anode and cathode. So let's have a connection from our anode lane to our push button. Excuse. And we also have a ground lane to our resistor, and our resistor is connected to our push button. Tapos we also have pin to lane. This is a cable from our push button to our pin 2. This is to receive the input of a push button. So input sa user gikan sa push button ma-send dire maagi dire sa atong cable. And these 6 cables here mao ni ang atong output, no, from pin 8 to 13 mag-send silag output padulong dire sa atong specific LED light. So our 13 pin is for our first LED light, and 12 is for our second, 11 is for our third, 10 is for our fourth, so on and so forth until 8, no? Maning pang last nga LED nato. Maning point. So how about let's start simulation. Okay, what we have here is a blinking yellow LED. So as per default code mo gini siya. So what we're going to do with this. So we have a task for a 3 set of styles. So our first set is a running LED light from left to right, no? So padayon na siya. So my second set is a reverse, no, from right to left, running LED light gihapon. So, and our third set is a maybe a random LED light, no, puli-puli sila. So, I think 1, 2, 1, 3, and 5, no, magdungan sila, then kanipod dungan po ning tulo. So how I'm going to do that? That's the big question. And no, it is for our user nga maka-dictate lang when to shift a style. Okay, let's go to our code, how to create. So what we have here is a default code. Delete na to. Let's say we used 3 if statement. This is for our kuan 3 set. Kani ang pang last na statement. This one is for our separate siya, dili siya para sa statement nato, pero magamit yapon siya sa tanan. Okay, let's go to math. Kani gamitan nato ni. Okay. Tapos kani pulihan nato ni og hi. And this one, 1, 2, 3. Can I put another equals? Change this to equals. Okay, I think mo na siya code. Para ma-access nato ni. Let's change this one to text. Then click continue. So, first thing that we are going to do is that i-acknowledge nato, no? We must have to acknowledge our input. So, kailangan basahon sa niya atong input setup. This is for our setup, no? Setup sa nato, no? Pin mode 2 is going to receive input. Okay, uppercase. Then we used to make a loop for our 6 pins. 6 pins here from 8 to 13. So nag-decide ko nga i-loop na lang para dili na kayo taas ang atong code. So how to do that? I'm going to use a for loop and I declare int this pin as an integer is equal to 13. I know, let's say start of 8 and this pin is less than 14 or pwede siya less than or equal to 13, pwede sa 13. It's up to you kung say desire nimo. Pin plus plus. So this is it. In mode diri na, no, this pin The this pin will serve as our pin number from 8 to 13. Output. So, ang nga na lang kasimple, no? Dili na nato kailangan isa-isahon pag command sa output. So, automatic na siya. Okay, let's proceed to our first statement. Unsay naa diri. So, let's call digital. Ay, digital red pin 2. Is equal to high. If ever maka-receive siyag input sa user nga ma-click to, then here's the command button state is equal to 1 plus button state. Okay, and I have delay 10. So, nagbutang gamit ang variable, no? Pero wala pa nato i-declare sa ibabaw. So, I'm going to declare this one. Button state is equal to 0. This is not a constant. Butang lang natin na. Di na nato gamitin si button state. Button state. If button state is equal to 1, i-perform niya si while loop. Para sa unsang while loop, this is for the user, no? Para mag-continue ra gyapon sa pag-loop samtang while true ang statement for for that to be false, para mahunong siya, gamiton na ako ang what do we call that one, ang input sa user. Kanya na digital, right? So as you can see, no, gigamit na ako CI serves as a pin number. So nagsugod siya 13 hangtod sa 8. Then delay, some delay. So mag-display siya output from 13 to 8. Delay digital right low dash bottom state as digital. So kani ulit user para pag mag-input siya or makasend siya mag-input, automatic ma-add ni siya og 1. So diha pa lang mo-false na atong statement diri asa while nato sa loop. So in that case mahunong ang loop nato. Okay, so proceed ta sa second set nato. So button state is equal to 2, then gapon tag while loop state is equal to 2. Okay. Almost the same lang, no, pero reverse lang siya. So magsugod ta og 8, pin 8 to 13. I used to put delay, set na to 100. Alright. Right. And now low. And the last. This is for the user. Okay. And proceed na to sa third set na ito. Itong random LED light set. Is equal to 3. Magamit niya itong tag while loop. State. And diri din na magamit og for loop. Copy lang natin. 8. Ibahin na to pa. Draw kaset ng atong LED. 8, pin, 10, and 12. Then, itong delay in between. Set into 200. Delay, low. Copy lang natin. 8, 10, 12. Yeah, now natin ay high. This is for our second set. Ang gamitan natin. Second set natin is 9, 11, and 13. And delay in between and low. Happy lang gihapon na ito. 9, 11, and 13. Daghan kayo kuan, daghang program about ani. Daghang klase nga code. It's up to you now how you kill a chicken. Saan para ma-perform ang output nga imong gusto. So, nasa imong kamot. Grade 2. So, it's up to you na kung saan code imong gamiton. Tom state. So, okay, bottom state. So, teka man ano. Kini-duplicate lang na ako diri. If ever diri pa lang ang code, may pagbasa sa program na, diri pa lang siya. Mag-click na ka, so mabasa na dahil niya. Dili na niya hulaton nga mahuman ang execution sa loop. Dili na niya humanon nga mato sa last line. So, depende sa it's up to user lang gihapon. Okay, let's see if natay error. we encountered error here. Okay, so diri walang tawag curly bracket. Digital red, wrong spelling, error 35. So I forget to put a curly bracket. Yan, digital red. I think mara ni siya. Okay, so wala error atong code. Let's see if it works. Okay, yun. And for our second set now, yun, it works well. So how about our third set? If click na ako na ayun, so we can see no the three set perform good siya exact sa atong desire. So about pabalik ko na to siya sa first loop. Okay, napalong siya. Then click na to, no, yun. So on and so forth, mubalik siya sa first loop. Second set na to, sa third set na to. Okay, so I think this is all. Monitor na no ang kabuuan sa activity nga akong create at this moment. I think na-perform na ako ang desire nga akong gusto nga i-perform. Anyways, no, daghan kayong klase nga codes naghag pamaagi. One teacher said there are many ways to kill a chicken. So naghay pamaagi yun. So one way po ito nga code to produce nga output. So I hope nga may nakatunan for this activity. And ito padayan lang yapon to study. Although online class ta karon, but kailangan gihapon buhaton ang test para sa improvement, not sa school but sa improvement personally. So I think this is all for this moment. God bless everyone. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video. I'm gonna post some videos siguro puhon dagan pang mga tutorials, and this is all for this moment. I hope nga na may nakatunan. God bless and have a great day to everyone. Keep safe also.